is up? Welcome back to the channel. I seriously, every time I turn this GoPro on, it just gets crazy. But man, it is 2023, the first sunset drive of 2023. I had to come out before the sun went down. I actually worked all day today, so I had to go for a little cruise. But man, I don't mind getting stopped at red lights if we're at the very front, you know? And this weather is the best. 67 degrees outside. The 350z loves this cool weather. Let's get off the main road for now. Oh man, that sun is gonna go behind that mountain and then it's gonna get dark really quick. So I'm glad we made it out before it gets really dark. This thing just sounds so cool. Let's see, let me get these windows all the way down. Oh man. Even in traffic, it's fun. Oh, that Volkswagen bus is awesome. Yo, I want one of those. I could live in that thing. If it will tow this 350z, I might be down. Why do they line these roads with foam poles? It's the scariest thing in the world. So I don't know if you've seen, but a few days ago I actually asked on my community tab, I have the opportunity to buy a 2007 Nissan 350z, and that is the year they actually switched to the HR motor. So it has a 500 RPM increased redline, which this one is at 7,000, and then the regular DE sits at 6,500. They had 3 iterations of the motor. All right, they had the DE rev-up, which is what we have, and then they have the HR, which is like the final iteration of the 350z motor. They're all improved in their own ways. A lot of the oil burning issues were solved with the HR, so it would be really interesting to see if this car doesn't burn oil or if it does and the myths are true. I've never actually even driven an HR, so it would be kind of interesting. We do have the Miata and this car as well, so it's kind of like I could put that money into these 2 cars and have, I'm gonna make a U-turn here, you know, 2 pretty nice cars, or I mean 3 cars. I'm honestly really interested to see how they perform differently from each other. I mean, I've been driving this rev-up every single day for 3 years now, so it would be really interesting to see just how different the HR is. So I'm going tomorrow morning to check it out, and if it seems like a pretty good car, then I might just have to do it. They are going up in value, so it might kind of be an investment type of thing as well, so who knows? Don't use this as like investment advice or anything, but these are just my thoughts and my opinions. So, but let me know what you think down in the comments. I think it would be pretty fun. We could like weld the diff and stuff. There is this place in Apple Valley. It's like an hour and a half from here where you can drift, and it would be pretty fun to bring the Z out there to do some drifting. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. But the sun is going down fast and there's traffic everywhere because it's 5 o'clock p.m. Oh, that sunset though. Wow, that's a pretty cool Maserati, honestly. Ooh, dang. Don't look too close though, because there's some gnarly curb rash on that. I have some curb rash on my wheels too, so it's okay. We've all been there. But have you ever just seen someone look down at your curbed wheels and you're like, don't look too close, please? I mean, I feel like that's me every day. They're not too curved, but there's a few spots. And don't even get me started on the mismatched tires. Let's go this way. No one's going this way, so we're going this way. Oh man. I've seen a lot of cops out though, so I'm not gonna go crazy, but maybe we'll get a little, you know, a little downshift in here and see how it's going. You gotta turn the AC off first, of course. All right. Oh man. Sheesh! Coming in hot. Oh. You ever just wish that you could get like a private server of just like the whole earth and all these roads, only like super smooth versions of them, so they're not just crazy bouncy? Because honestly, public roads are just not very good for some reason. There are a lot of them, so I guess I understand. It is pretty fun. And this thing sounds awesome. It would be cool to get a different exhaust system though. I've been thinking. I'm putting the carbon fiber in this month, hopefully. That's the plan. I'm trying to get some of the blemishes fixed because obviously they're used. So I'm trying to get it all, not, you know, perfect, because I'm not a perfectionist, honestly. I mean, perfection just takes way too long. And honestly, life moves too quick. So that's what it is. Oh, I'm going. The sun is going down, but I will admit, these type of nights, 66 degrees, it's just nice cool breeze outside. Honestly, it's just a good time. Oh, and that sound. Just push the accelerator down and it's just there. I'm not gonna lie, this is like one of the only roundabouts in Temecula. There's one in wine country, but you really would imagine that there'd be more. I feel like roundabouts are really, I feel like they're pretty smart. You go to Europe and they're everywhere. So I don't know if like Europe has just figured it out and we're behind on that. I do think it would be cool to see more roundabouts and less, oh my, there must be a sinkhole in the ground right there or something. And less intersections, basically. More roundabouts, less intersections. We need to make a t-shirt that says that or something. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Let's take a right. Ooh, oh, RX-7? That thing is clean. Oh my God. That thing next to the Miata would look good. And it was red, and it was red. Oh God, I did not mean to do that. It's a really nice neighborhood, so I'm just gonna chill. That lady was not happy. I don't blame her, I don't blame her. She probably heard that little squeal back there, that little burnout, and she picked her dog up instantly and was like, oh, there's a hooligan out there. You know, I do try my best to keep a clean record around here, but it gets kind of hard behind the wheel of this thing, so I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it just sounds so good. Oh, don't do it. No U-turns now, lady. Oh, we got a golf cart. Hey. Let's go left. Ooh, coming in a little hot there. Up the hill. Oh my, wait. Can we back it up for a second here? So technically, I know we're on the wrong side of the road. I had to stop here for a sec. Make sure that e-brake is up. That would not be good. Oh man. Oh, this is living right here. Jeez. This thing just looks good in red. I'm not gonna lie. That one I'm going to look at tomorrow. I can't wait to disclose the color to you, but it's definitely not red. It's a little darker. Oh, what is that? What is that? Dude, this thing is dirty. Do not look too close, but it needs like a detail. Look at that view though. I mean, that's just awesome. I just feel so blessed to be able to drive this thing around and make these YouTube videos. It's just so much fun. Okay, I'm headed to the gas station because you guys saw my gas meter back at Shell. I decided not to end the video. Might as well just keep going, you know, might as well. Still driving around, so. 507 a gallon now. I mean, it's not too bad. It's really coming down. It was like 685 a gallon at one point, which is, I mean, that's just way too much. Like, I honestly was dusting the bicycle off. All right, let's get some gas. Definitely need it. What's sad is I feel like I put like 25 bucks in this thing like 2 days ago. Not even joking. But $25, what do I expect? I mean, all right, I'm calling it there. I gotta do one walk around before we go. Sheesh. Dang. Should we do new wheel setup? Probably need to do a new wheel setup, honestly. But I've had these since I've owned the car 3.5 years, and they've been honestly holding up pretty well, so. And they look pretty good. All right, let's go for a cruise. Let's go for a cruise. I need to get some oil because I actually checked it right before I left, and I'm down like about a half a quart. So this thing consistently burns about a quart a month. So especially, I have been driving. I drove to Vegas over Christmas, and then I also drove down to San Diego last week for Monster Jam. So that was pretty cool. What's going on over here, people? Sheesh. Oh, dang, man. Some aggression over here. We got some aggression. O'Reilly Auto Parts, land of the car enthusiasts and people that just probably have cars that are breaking, so that's us. Let's park over here in the light because we're gonna have to check the oil, yeah? All right, I'm running in. I have low light on the camera on, so I don't know if it made a difference, but it is kind of getting dark out here. All right, let's knock this out. Dude, this thing looks so cool in this light. Oh man, that's the thumbnail right there? Jeez, looks so good. It's like a highlighter. It's right on that like spot where the light doesn't hit, but whatever, we'll make it work. Oil, need about a half. I'm gonna put like 30% of this in here because just in case. A little more. It's about 35% of this. I'll come back out tomorrow morning, check it out, see how it is, let it sit overnight, let it all drain back down into the oil pan. Done. This is all on here and good. All right, I can close this up. There it is. All right, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Drop a subscribe if you haven't yet already. I have no idea if I'm going to get this 350z or not tomorrow, but if I am, you'll be the first to know. So hit the subscribe button. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.